Hello friends, this is Netra Patil from Arihan College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Bavdhan, Pune, Department of Information Technology. Today we are going to learn about how to create forms in HTML. This video is for those who have a basic knowledge of HTML. So today we are here to make sign up form using HTML. Let's begin with the session. First of all, we need to open Notepad. Then just give any title here like sign up form. Then the tag which has been started at the last, we needs to be closed first. So closing of title tag and closing of, okay, go to file, select save, let's name as form.html and save it. Okay, we need to browse it. As you can see, we have given the name as sign up form. The sign up title is display here. Okay, after that start, then h1 align is equal to sign up form, then we will make a table and we will create all the fields inside the table. Then start with center, enter. Table consists of table row and table data. First of all, we need our first row and first table data. First name will be put on first TD name, and the input type we needs to be put in the second TD. Text means it creates, and after that close TD or T. Okay, just save it and reload it. See the output. Then similarly we will follow the same steps for next fields. Text, again it creates, and text, it create text box, email address, post TD and add again TR. Input type is equal to closing of TD and TR. Again next row TD, confirm password, input type is equal to closing of TR. Okay, just save it and reload it. See the output. After that again insert next row. We will put here gender, TD, input type is equal, it create radio button for male to radio. Again say second radio button create for close TD and TR. Next row TR, TD, input type is equal submit button and and just save it and again reload. See the output. What next? We need to add background, so I will put background in body tag, body background is equal to type of file. Okay, once all work is done, we need to remove the border so it should look nice. Remove border, then again save it and reload it. Okay, this is our final output. Sign up form includes first name, last name, email address, password, confirm password, 2 radio buttons for male and female, and submit button. Okay, I hope you like this session. In the next session we will go for advanced techniques, settings, attributes and further tags. Thank you.